What is it?
Nuts.
Nuts? Oh yeah, like walnuts? Yeah.
Yeah.
Walnut, maybe?
Like a brain. Like.
Yeah. Yes. Exactly. It's getting everybody. Lights off.
Guys, I think it's Ehab.
And so much. Yeah.
Going to Prague.
Jo, a jak?
Hey, what do you think that thing sounds like?
I really like this tram style.
Dude.
Oh my god.
Hey Mike. Is it true?
Wow. Wait. Wow. MJ, I have something to tell you.
What is it?
I'm Spider-Man.
Oh my goodness.
I know. This city is unbelievable. So beautiful. Crazy. It is a face.
I think she said
I can go there and say
no.
I love it how you just handed it.
This is where our group picture.
That's a lot of work.
I love squares. Is yours dead?
Look at this sign. Diabetes. Oh, I got some diabetes. I got diabetes. Day one in Prague was beautiful. Saw so many things. Walked like 14 miles or something like that. Great day. Now waiting for an Uber from a guy named Ramen to get me to my hotel. It's called the Panorama. And that's where I'll be for the next week for the World Yo-Yo Contest.
I wish you the best for the rest of your life. Felt sorry for you when I looked in your...
You're going that way, right? And I'm in the air like collide. Go!